I'm sure you have some notes on this, but anyway, tell me what your notes say. What is it? First is what? Yeah. So right now, parentheses go first, in case you don't have this. And then second happens is, Gary? Huh? No. After parentheses, Ryan, we, yeah, make sure you write that down. Multiply / divide from left to right. And the third thing you do is, same thing with addition. Addition and subtraction. After you do all the multiplication and division, you do addition and subtraction from left to right. I will show you an example of a problem they'll give you. You need to follow those steps, otherwise you will get the problem wrong. For example, 0.5 plus 0.5 divided by 0.5 minus 0.5 times 0.5. Clever book people. If you are doing that, a whole lot of operations there. If you're following the order of operations given, the first thing you look for parentheses. Are there any? No. So we can go right to this next one. Multiply and divide from left to right. Okay. Now if you look here, we've got division and we've got multiplication. Okay. When they both fall on the same level, level 2 there, you need to do it from the left, just like you read it, you're going to do this one first. Okay? So it ends up being 0.5 divided by 0.5, which is what? What's that?
1.
Exactly, 1. And then you're going to do 0.5 times 0.5, which is, again, you might have to actually sit down and do this because a lot of times we think we get it. Where does the decimal go in that? Eli?
0.25, 0.2.
Right. There's 2 decimal places, so it comes right there. Okay. So now I've done step number 2, and then I have to do it from left to right. And that's where a lot of people go wrong as well. You can't take 1 minus 25 and then add that to 0.5. You have to do this first. 1 plus 0.5 is 1.5. And then from that you have to subtract 0.25. So 1.5 minus 0.25, I'll end up with 1.25 for your answer. You have to follow those order of operation rules, otherwise something will go terribly awry. Another example, how about 2 times 8 plus 2 times 6? Go ahead and do that real quickly for me. 2 times 8 plus 2 times 6. 2 times 8 plus 2 times 6. 2 plus 8. Jacob Kunzendorf says, this is times, sir, not decimals. 2.8 or 2 times 8 plus 2 times 6. I think I did say 2.8, didn't I?
Yeah.
I meant. Who actually did it the way I said there? I said that. Sammy, what'd you come up with?
28.
28, let's see. The first thing you do is multiplication where there's no parentheses, so you do this first. Then you multiply this second. And then last thing you do is add those together, which should be 28. Sure, why not? And then one last example here. 2 times 8 plus 8 in parentheses. One that actually has a parenthesis here.
Yeah.
Okay, parentheses get done first, even though addition subtraction gets done last. You have to do the parenthesis first, so that kind of over trumps what it is. You have to multiply these together, or add those together first. So it ends up being 16 times 2, which is 36 or whatever. Perfect. Alright, I think that probably will get you there.